D-Day. D-Day. It's an idiom. It means the day chosen for the commencement of an important activity. In other words, any major upcoming event is called a D-Day. Let us see the idiom in the examples. The first one, the players are preparing themselves for D-Day, the final match. Very important match, final match. That's the reason, themselves for D-Day. Second one, next Friday is D-Day. We are launching our new project. So next Friday is very important day. That is the reason, D-Day. Why? We are starting new project. Third one, after 4 hectic weeks of electioneering, candidates are preparing themselves for D-Day tomorrow. D-Day means tomorrow is election day. So all the candidates are waiting for that particular day, election day. So it's a D-Day. Fourth one, D-Day for my departure was set for 29th June. So 29th June is very important day in my life because I am going abroad. So that is the D-Day for my life. Fifth one, she had said the same thing the year before when he went to Europe without her for the 40th anniversary of D-Day. So 40th anniversary is very important day in their life. So when he was going to Europe, his wife said the same thing. And this year also she is saying the same thing. So when we look at the origin of this idiom, D-Day, the D in D-Day stands for day. So when you say D-Day, what you are actually saying is day. The expression was first used during the First World War and not, as many people think, in the Second World War. The famous D-Day was 6th June 1944. So finally, we understand D-Day means very important day or the day chosen for any new upcoming event.